Hello students, Namaskar. Welcome to Career 360. The video that I'm going to do today will be helpful for all students who are taking the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test to get into one of the MBA or PGDM colleges within Maharashtra. We listed out the top 10 B schools based on the median salary, not on the percentage of placement, not on the NRF ranking, but on the median salary. And we also give you a lot of data for you to reflect upon, to understand, so that you can make your choices. Let me take you through the top 10 B schools that accept the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test results or scores. The first one is Jamnalal Bajaj. All of you know this. This is a legacy institution established in 1965. So, about 60 years old, if I may say so. Right? It is an autonomous institution. The fee is very, very marginal here, if you notice that. The total students is 397. So please look at the kind of data that we're given, and this is similar data that we have for all the institutions that we're covering at this point in time. We have the year of establishment, we have the ownership, whether it's public, private, autonomous, we have the total number of students. This is for both the years, which means that you need to divide by half to understand the intake for the current year. The total male and the female, so that you understand the gender diversity in the B school. The fee that school charges, and the placement percentage over the last 3 years. And last 3 available years, if I may say so, because Jamnalal Bajaj stopped participating in the NRF ranking after a point in time. So, for Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management, established in 1965, it's an autonomous institute. 397 students is what the total students at the campus are, which means that intake would be about 200 kind of a thing, of which 80% are boys, 20% are girls. The fee is 60%. They place 89% of the students at a median salary of 22.28 lakh rupees. Now, this is a very good number. This 88%, the other 12%, in my opinion, because they come from JBIMS, might have preferred some other thing, and that's why they did not participate in the placement itself, right? But this B school is possibly, not just possibly, is the best B school in Maharashtra, which is accepted in the MHCET result score. And this is the same pattern of data that you have. I keep repeating, because I'm not going to repeat all these details for every other B school out there. The second one is Sidnem, right, which is also called SIMSER, established in 1983. It's again a public institution, right? 341 students is the total students in the campus, of which 80% are boys, 20% are girls. The fee is just 1.34 lakh to 2.0 lakhs. Whenever you have a public institution, you actually see the fees coming down dramatically. They place 100% of its students at 14.93 lakh rupees. The next one that you have is Velinkar Institute, which is also called the L. Velinkar Institute. It's based in Bombay, so it has a location advantage. Established in 1977, it's a private affiliated college. 84th ranked in NIRF, 1,355 students, of which 60% are boys, 40% are girls. Remember, these for 2 years batches, remember that always. The fee is 14 lakh rupees. 97% students placed at 11.78 lakh rupees. And it's been consistently placing 95% and upwards of the students, if you notice that very carefully. The next one is NL Dalmia Institute of Management, again in Mumbai. Right? Established in 1995. It's a private affiliated college. 1684 is the total students that they have, of which 57% are boys, 43% are girls. The fee is 16.5 lakh rupees. 76% of the students placed at 8.5 lakh rupees. Then ITMW Mumbai, established in 1991, 98.71% of the students placed. Now, this institute has been placing almost 100% of its students over the years, right? And the last year's median salary was 7.84 lakh rupees. It has about 1,230 students, of which 60% are boys, 40% are girls. Then you have SIES College of Management, again in Navi Mumbai, established in 1995. It's a private affiliated college. 303 is the total students, of which 60% are boys, 40% girls. The fee is 0.96 lakh rupees only. And 76% of its students placed at 7 lakh rupees median salary. The next one you have is Sismira Institute, which is again based in Mumbai, right? Established in 2010. It's a private affiliated college. 246 students. Again, 2 years batches, remember that. 55% boys, 45% girls. The 85.6% is a placement and 7 lakh rupees median salary, which is very, very good. The next one is Vivekananda Education Society's Institute of Management Studies and Research, which is established in 1994. It's a private affiliated college. 346 students, 51% boys, 49% girls, fee being 5.3 lakh rupees. 90.13% students placed at 6.5 lakh rupees. Then you have Balaji Institute of Technology and Management, which is based in Pune, right? And they have about 387 students. Now, this one has a few other institutes within the campus also. All we're talking of at this point is Balaji Institute of Technology and Management. They also have a few other courses being offered in the same campus. 65% are boys, 35% are girls. Fees 11.9 lakh rupees. 80% students placed at 6.5 lakh rupees. Then you have Bharati Vidyapeeth, which is a university by itself, and they are very good because for the simple reason that they're a university offering an MBA program, right? About 382 students, 62% boys, 38% girls, the fee being 2.86 lakh rupees. 89.53% students getting placed at 4.5 lakh rupees average salary, median salary. So this is the top 10 that we have, which are accepting the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test scores. And what we did was listing them out based on the median salary. The ranking would be different. The percentage placement, the listing would be different. But we rank them based on the median salary, mind you, right? Just keep an eye on all these things. And if you want any of other videos that you want us to create, any more information that you want us to create, please feel free to write in the comment section here, and we'll try to do the best we can. I hope this information helped you. Thank you so much. Namaskar.